All right, I'm here in Adobe Captivate and I'm going to go to insert a video. Now notice I get an error. This video is recorded on my iPhone and Adobe Captivate does not like the format, but that's okay because there's an easy way to convert it. I'm going to use the Adobe Media Encoder, and this actually comes with Adobe Captivate. So I'm just going to go here, open the Adobe Media Encoder. All right, so here I am in the Adobe Media Encoder, and I'm going to go over here to this Q window. And from here, I'm just going to click on the plus, and it's going to have me select the file that I want to convert. It's this one. This was something I filmed on my iPhone. It's a .mov file that I want to convert to an MP4. So now I'm going to just click open. So it's going to automatically default to this H.264, which is fine. That is going to be an MP4 file. But if I wanted something different, I could click on this. And you see there's all kinds of different options for me here to convert it to. But I'm good with this. And then I can also go here where under output, I can say where I want it to go. Right now, it's going into the same folder as the original file, and that's fine. So I'll leave that like that. And it tells me status is ready. So I can go up here to the green play button. It says start queue, and I'm going to click that. And now it's just going to take a little bit of time to encode. When it's done, it's going to give me this green check mark here. So now I'm ready to use my MP4. So if I go back into Adobe Captivate, which is where I was working, and I go here to insert this video. And here it is right next to the original file, although they're named the same, but you can see this is the MOV, this is the MP4. So I'll select that. I'm going to hit open and I'll hit OK. And this time the video loads just fine.